This week in life insurance, we're coming to you one last time from Mexico City. And this week, people are talking about the Wall Street Journal because it did something shocking and surprising. It actually said something nice about life insurance. Now, if you read the journal, you know that they are generally not a fan of life insurance. They like to make a lot of digs at it. But this week in an article about 4 ways that you can kind of help save for your children to help them in their adult lives, one of the 4 was actually purchasing a variable universal life policy for the children. And they actually had a really good balanced discussion about why that's the case and how with potential stock market gains can go up, and obviously noted that it could also go down. And one interesting factoid there that's important to note is that a variable universal life insurance policy is not considered an asset for students applying for federal financial aid as well. So that's a nice little bonus. Now, we've actually seen some clients do this, actually buy VUL policies for their kids, which they fund on an annual basis to help kind of create savings for their children later in life. And we've actually heard of a couple people who take this to the next level. And obviously this is for a very specific kind of ultra high net worth client, but they actually purchase private placement life insurance policies for those children, which they fund every year. So when they're later in life, they have access to that money as well. So a really interesting kind of strategy. Great to see the journal actually say something nice about the industry for once. That's all for this week. We'll talk to you soon.